Are you looking to advance your IT skills? Ever dreamt of being at the forefront of the tech world, leading the charge with cutting-edge knowledge and expertise? Welcome to Tech Leads IT, a leading online training institute. Imagine a place where you can learn from the best. A place where success stories are not a rarity, but a norm. Tech Leads is that place. Our world-class curriculum, tailored to the needs of the IT industry, and our expert trainers are committed to turning your dreams into reality. Our training isn't just about imparting knowledge, it's about creating IT leaders. It's about equipping you with the tools to navigate the dynamic tech landscape. From Oracle ERP to data science, from software development to cloud computing, our comprehensive courses cover a wide array of IT disciplines. But it's not all work and no play at Tech Leads IT. We believe in creating a stimulating environment that fosters creativity, encourages curiosity, and enhances learning. Our interactive sessions, real-world case studies, and hands-on projects make learning fun and engaging. Success in IT is not just about skills, it's about the right attitude, the right guidance, and the right platform. And Tech Leads IT provides you with exactly that. So are you ready to take the leap? Are you ready to transform your IT career? Join us today and take the first step towards a successful IT career. Because at Tech Leads It, we don't just teach it, we lead it.